Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. So let's see what is in the cards today for you all. Okay, a new journey, a new beginning. The Fool card has come because for me, I see the rainbow color and I see the butterfly mainly when I saw this card. So I feel whatever is a new journey which is going to start your way, if it is going to be a new investment, if it is going to be new work, a new opportunity, anything that you're going to have a start today is going to bring in magical journey. It's going to bring in a beautiful journey because I don't see here as you falling, but I see here as you soaring higher and higher and higher. So if you are not going to start anything new, then something good is coming your way. Maybe some of you will get new opportunities, some of you might take up a new project. Something good is actually coming your way, and I feel it's going to bring in magical blessings which will keep you very happy. So let's see, let's pull one more card to see what is the other thing. Ring Palace of Cups. See, though this card looks very dark, but Palace of Cups is something where everything is settled, everything is good. This is what I feel when I see this card, that a person resting in happiness after, or enjoying after the whole day's work, is what I see when I see this card. So maybe you will feel that the Fool card has come. Is she saying the right thing? Will things go well? Maybe for some of you, when the new project comes or new opportunity comes, you might worry as to how will we handle it, what will we do, will it be good for us? But be rest assured, it is going to be good. Everything is going to be going to fall in place, because the last card which has come is more like an assurance. Can you see the Seven of Cups here? Though there is a snake, you might wonder, but everything looks nice, everything looks good. And it does not only look good, I feel it will be good. So maybe just go with the flow today. I forgot to tell you all what to do today in the starting. So today, since it is a Friday, what you can do is in the evening after 6:30, offer some prasad for Lakshmi Mata and hear the Lakshmi Hriday Stotram. And also, if possible, whatever prasad you're offering her, that you can give it to your home members, and you can also have. And today, if possible, feed someone who is in need, or donate some clothes, preferably a red colored cloth, to someone in need, and I'm sure Ma Lakshmi will bless you. Today the color is going to be orange, so today you can wear the color orange, and may Lakshmi ji bless you with all the happiness and all the abundance in this world. Thank you.